Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off app location tracking in ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro. So in the first step, let's open settings and look for the apps. Apps and notifications. Now choose the seal apps. And now just look for the app that you want to turn off the app tracking, like a Google Chrome. Select the permissions. And as you can see, the Google Chrome have a location permission in the allowed, so if you want to deny it, just select it and choose deny. Tap on the deny anyway, and with this location permission set up, the Google Chrome or any other app cannot track you anymore. If you want to check other apps with the location permission, just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.